Zebra down here, just in this little section, probably about 200 or 300 meters away. There's a small group of zebra.
See some elephants over here. There's one right next to the vehicle. And if we come around to the other side, you'll see some up by the baobab tree. And they moved on. There were a few more, but they're moving off. You can't really see them up on the other side. Yeah, they're right up over here.
There's birds on the...
Look at the buzzard.
Oh, it's hornbill. Is he hornbill?
And Gatley, I'm in the van, in the safari van. We're out here, and we're in the front seat. Oh, listen to that. You can hear that.
What's the deer in the back?
That is a glance.
That's a glance back there?
Yeah, it's kind of like a glance. It's producing that for the communication.
No, there's an antelope back there.
That is a water buck.
A water buck, okay.
Yeah.
And the other ones are up here. And I'm on the top of the van here, as you can see, standing on the seat with some of the other folks in back of me here. So now we're turning around. It's a little awkward on the front seat. I think I'll stick to the back seats in the future then. See, there's some Hyrexes right there. There were two of them. Well, there's one down the bottom. They're going in the rocks. The other one's looking at us here. So, oh, there goes the other one. Back in the rocks. You little guys, you gotta move out of the way a little bit. You can't be loafing all the time. So, giraffe right there. There he is. Okay. Eating those top branches there. So today is 25th of September, 2021.
Keep it for you.
There he is. Okay. Hi guys.
Hey, zebra.
Hello. Hello. Come on up. Have a view.
See how they do that?
Yep.
They fly away the flies from their face, each other.
Right.
That's why they do that.
Oh, smart zebras.
Well, we've arrived at our camp for today. We're having a little welcome drink, and all our luggage is here. And here's my drink over here. So I'm going to sit down here and sip this excellent drink, whatever it is. It's very good. It's non-alcoholic, but ever so tasty here. Okay. Well, this is our table before lunch, before it's being served. Some of our intrepid travelers here that were in our van here and whatever. yours truly is here too. I got the hat on here, so I'm the one taking the pictures here. But we got our servers here. They're doing an excellent job. And who knows what kind of African Tanzanian delights that we're going to have here. So we'll see. I'm a little hungry too. Well, this is my tented room. It's quite roomy. It's drinking water, a radio to call at night because they want you to not walk up by yourself up to the main lodge. Flashlight, huge bed, no ceiling fan in here. It is a little warm, so I thought they'd have a ceiling fan. But here's my bathroom. It's huge. 2 sinks. That's water for brushing your teeth, not for drinking. Got robes there. Have a shower inside, but they prefer you use the outside one. And the outside one is right here. You gotta unzip these jobbies here. And let me get this. So here's the outside one. And my head comes right under the shower here, so it's like, and it's open to anybody passing by here who wants to take a shot of the nudies there. They got a tent pole in here and some lights here, but nobody's going to walk around this back area, so that's okay. All right, everything zips up tight here. Alrighty, there's the toilet. Oh, this is one of our vans. I was sitting up front earlier. Now I'm taking the catbird seat in the back. And we change seats every day here. So, and the top pops up. So if you want to look outside, you can stand on the seats and whatever here. All right, there it is. Our bush vans. We're heading out on our vehicle now. We got the windows open. There's no windows in here now. So we're down here. There's the back of us now. There's not anybody back there. But we're going to be back at around dusk and then have dinner with a campfire and drinks. We got a cooler here that has drinks in it too, so that sounds pretty good. All right, so we got some more zebras up here. As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them that we see here alongside the road. We're aiming the camera down so you don't get too much sky in there. Here they are. All right. We're just back cruising along here, seeing what we can see. There's a couple more. Is that ibex up there? Is that ibex? Impala, okay.
Yeah, leaving right now.
That's the Impala up there. I thought the ibex had the twisted horns.
The Alps.
The ibex. Oh, okay. The vehicle's a bit jumpy here, so at least the video's jumpy. That's why I need to set my stabilization at ultra stabilization. Alright. There's a lion up top here, on top of the mound.
See, there wasn't much
You see him
massive
there.
canines on that one.
You can see him on there, on top of a termite mound, trying to be very quiet, but he's not worried about us. Yeah, there's some more over here, although we're into the sun, but there's like 5 or 6 that were over here. You can see one of them standing up. I'm trying to hold the camera down so you don't get the horizon so you can see them. But they're right up in there somewhere. But there you go. Lions in Tanzania. M1 Man Travel. 25 September 2021. We're all in our vehicle. He's taking a little snooze up there. I don't blame him. I would too.
But they are along this side of the swamp here and all the way down to a big set of trees down at the bottom. And they've just moved around a bit like the bear. really effort not spotted, is it?
Here, and I can't get the camera in the shade here, so I won't. There, how about that? Maybe that's a bit better. I don't know. To see there, but here's the other one. And we still got this guy on the termite mound over here, taking a snoozy cue. No problemo. Pride of lions, I guess. Here, so very nice. The sun's going down out in the bush. We still have our lions over here. We're having a bit of refreshment now. Some wine, some beer, some snacks. And after all, we've had a hard day traveling around on unimproved roads and craning our necks at all strange angles to see the animals.
Yeah.
So we deserve a little break here.
Tomorrow.
Okay.
It is really gorgeous.
We're heading back to our bush camp. It's 6:35 at night, 18:35 if you prefer. And yeah, going back and have dinner here pretty soon. A little bumpy ride, so that's why everything's jumping around quite a bit here. Alright. Well, sitting here by the fire outside, we're going to have a rum and coke here momentarily. And I don't know, the GoPro may not do night too well. It doesn't look like it does it very well, but we'll give it a shot anyhow here. So the drink is coming up. You can't see it, but he's off over there at a little bar mixing my drink. Dixon is mixing it for me. It's going to be a spectacular drink, I'm sure, here. So, okay.